I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Now here search and select Copper CRM. Give a name. For API email and API key, please visit Copper CRM dashboard. Click on Setting. Now click on Integrations. Then click API key. Click on Generate API key. Copy API email and API key. Paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integration successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to Copper CRM dashboard and refresh the page. You can see record created in People module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.